Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 9th Maths NCERT Chapter 2 Polynomials. Today we are going to study from Exercise 2.1 Question 3. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. So we have to give one example for binomial whose degree will be 35, and then one example for monomial whose degree will be 100. So this is what we have to do in this sum. Now before that, we have to understand what is the meaning of binomial and what is the meaning of monomial. I have already explained to you in the introduction part. In the introduction when I taught you, there I have explained to you meaning of monomial. Monomial meaning a single term. Binomial meaning two terms. Two terms means the terms will be divided or separated by either with addition sign or at the subtraction sign. So with this sign it is separated, then this is known as the terms. So when two terms are there, they are known as binomial. When only one term, there is no any plus or a minus, nothing is separated with a plus or minus. Therefore this is just a single term. So the single term is known as monomial. When two terms are there, they are known as binomial. Then I explained to you also about the degree. So highest degree of a variable you have to see. There should be a variable and the variable power is known as the highest degree. So which is the highest power, that will be known the degree or the highest power of that degree. So the variable the exponent of the variable is known as degree. So now let's come to the point here. So we have to write the binomial first and then write the degree for that. 35 should be the degree. So in this case you can write down a binomial meaning two terms. So you can write anything, x plus 1. So now these separated, right? So there are two terms are there and the degree should be 35. So and the degree have to write on the variable. So you have to write 35. You also can write y plus 2. So this also degree has to be 35 and there are two terms and the degree is 35. Or you also can write 2x plus 5. Here also this is one term, this is another term. So two terms, so it became a binomial and then degree you have to write 35. All that you have to do, degree should be 35 and make sure there are two terms are there. Or also you can write root 7 x minus 1. So here also two terms. This is one term and this is another term and the degree has to be 35. So these are the examples. I have written many examples, but you have to give only one example for binomial. So now coming to monomial. Monomial, I told you single term. So single term, this is a single term. There is no any plus or a minus separating this. So this is known as monomial and the degree should be what? 100. So on variable exponent you have to write 100. Or you also can write root 8 y. So this is a single term, but then the power should be 100. So you also can write only x and the power to be 100. So it should be single term. Then it becomes monomial. If you are adding with plus, minus something, then it becomes a binomial, because binomial is two terms separated by addition or a subtraction. So that is known as a binomial. But monomial means there should be only single terms, then that is known as monomial and the degree is on variable exponent you have to write down. So that's it. I hope you understood this. Thank you and God bless you.